Hello friends, in this tutorial I will explain about erase tool. This erase tool you can select here or you enter E in the keyboard. This is shortcut key. Okay, so now erase key activated. So if I want to delete the edges, just I select and delete it. So automatically deleted. So which lines I select, this automatically deleted. Okay, if I want to delete multiple lines, I want to erase this full part. Okay, so what can I do? So just click and drag mouse towards whatever you want to delete. The lines automatically selected. Okay, now release your mouse. This automatically deleted. This way too you delete lot of things. So one more special features in erase tool. You can use it in the model. This for hide and smoothing. Okay. So how? So if you just click this erase. Okay. So if you click shift key and click this hide, you can see zoom this hide, the line hided but no delete. Okay, so control Z. Okay, so now I click control key, just this is smoothing. So this smoothing, so if shift click this, so this is for hide, this smoothing. Use shift key for hide, use control key for smoothing. Try it yourself and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.